and today in front of me DOOGEE S98 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So to do that, we should first launch the Play Store application. And here in the search pool, let's enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app. Click yes, I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. Now we can see here the information about the temperature of our device battery, and in my case that's 33.1. And also we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, device voltage, just model version of our device, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.